How to fix Premiere Pro not playing a video. Sometimes when you import a video, it just shows you red or error. That means that the video format is not supported by Premiere Pro. In that case, you just need to use any converter and convert that video into MP4 or any file format which Premiere Pro supports. MP4 is the best, alright? And if it still doesn't play, even if it's an MP4, then it could be caused by a bug. I will suggest you to close your Premiere and reopen it again. Usually doing that fixes the issue. The next thing is, if it still doesn't work, delete your Premiere Pro and reinstall that again. I don't know why this happens, but Premiere Pro has a really weird thing which causes that problem. The next thing you can do is always click on edit and then choose preference and choose playback. Once you're inside playback over here, you can choose primary audio device. I like to choose Adobe Desktop Audio, and from over here what you can do is just choose pre-roll for 3 seconds, post-roll 2, 5. More than this, it's going to start lagging, okay? And over here on timeline, you can go over here and make sure your setting is similar to mine as well. Once you do that, you need to click on media, cache, and click on delete. Sometimes deleting your cache folder also makes your Premiere Pro run smoothly. And if your video is still not playing, the last thing you can do is try to open the video in Adobe Media Encoder, okay? So there's an app called Adobe Media Encoder, which you can download, and on that media encoder, try to place your video. If it still doesn't place your video, even in Adobe Media Encoder, then something is wrong with that video. So look into the properties of the videos and try to fix it by trying to convert it into some other format, all right? So hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.